right one's a little lower than his left one, as you can see. We'll check that afterwards. You just put your hands right there. There you go. There we go. Is that LeBron James's
No, it's
number? Kobe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh!
We pray for our patients every day here. Yeah, keep breathing. There you go.
Okay.
Keep breathing. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. You'll be okay. I don't have any hands on my trophy. Well, yeah, I'm gonna start with yours.
They're really sensitive after you pull it.
I understand. Here, let them just relax for just a second if you can. I just want to recheck your reflexes.
Okay. Go ahead.
Well, you got a little bit more in this right one. That left one's still okay. You okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, drop this in my hands here. There you go. Perfect. And then we're going to drop L5 straight P to A. Now some of these will be a little sore first pair just because they've been out for a while. A little deeper than it looks on YouTube, huh? Yep. Now see, these have gone retrosthesis, which means they've gone backwards, so I'm pushing them back forward in the Z-axis. Yep. Keep breathing for me. There we go. Yep.
You're working it.
I'm working it, alright. You're making me work out. Legs are exactly even now, and I bet you this feels a little easier than the first one already.
It does. Very good.
Okay, so we're going to pop your head up on this next one here a little bit. Just relax. Slide down this way just a bit for me, please, sir. I'm putting the cervical lordosis back up there for you, and then I'm going to hit T1 right here to bring your whole head up and over your spine. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please, sir.
It's interesting when you're adjusting my lower spine. It's hard. I feel some of them going, but some of them don't.
When the table drops, though, I get an accelerated shear force, and it's,
Is that right?
biophysics,
Okay,
object in motion.
I was going to ask you what the mechanism for that was.
Yep. Okay, now slide down this way about half an inch. Put both arms straight out to the sides. There we go. I love treating medical professionals because I can have intelligent conversations with them about real biophysics and anatomical and functional issues. We take care of some radiologists here in Houston.
Yeah.
Relax this leg for me. Now this is the one where I'm going to unjam that
All right.
acetabulum. You can put your hands right here on your tummy. There you go.
Oh.
You should have felt that all the way from your knee up to your pelvis,
I did.
including into your lower back.
I did.
Okay, let this one go too. Yes, sir.
Yes, that one I did.
Now,
yeah.
go ahead and slide back up that way. I almost pulled you off the table. So I'm going to adjust your feet for you now. This little piggy went to market. There we go. Good job. That's it. Whew. Boy, that's really sore right there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Okay, now even though you fractured this right ankle, I'm still going to adjust the
That's
talus
okay.
joint
That's
here.
good.
There you go, right there.
Awesome.
That's it. Let me work on this spot right here too. Woo! There it is.
So what are you feeling when you're feeling that?
There's a nodule here, and this nodule is right in the tendon that runs right underneath the arch.
Uh-huh.
It's really the fascia. A lot of people would just call this plantar fasciitis, but it's more of a trigger point right in that tendon. This tendon, the adductor brevis tendon,
Is this
that goes to your big toe.
So when I told you about the shoes, is this like a neuropraxia kind of, like an injury to the nerve and causing scarring, or is this just
Well, I honestly think it's more like the trigger point you had in your left trap up there.
All right.
I think it's been irritated and it just has gotten inflamed, and now it's started developing some fibrosis in there.
Okay.
And that fibrotic scar tissue is more tender than normal uninjured tissue, as you
Yeah.
know. Yes, sir. Sorry,
It
I'm
is.
not meaning
No,
to make
you're-
you sweat here.
No, you're the one I'm making you sweat.
Nope, not yet. Not much that makes me sweat. I get my workout in here every day. See,
Yes,
this
sir.
one's not as bad, but
No.
you still have a little bit of that right there.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
But this
Yeah, no, the other
left
side
one's a lot worse.
is going a lot worse, yeah. Well, you can give me some
But
advice.
your ankle actually straightened out a little bit on that one.
Oh, good.
Yep. Adjust your toes there. Okay, let's sit you up and face that way for me, please, sir. Alright, I'm gonna get these shoulders for you here now. There you go. Just relax your arm. Let me have you. There you go. That was your glenohumeral joint.
Is that right?
Yep. Your socket's about slipped out like Renee's does, working on the computer all the time. Yours probably from doing surgeries all the time, having your hands outstretched all the
That's right,
time.
yeah.
And your olecranon process here, your wrist. I'm going to get all the way into your digits. Every time I move or cavitate a joint,
Yeah.
it sends a afferent neurological bombardment into the cerebellum,
Uh-huh.
changing the pain gate. So just popping your elbows and your wrist
Yeah.
and your fingers like this can help reduce pain levels everywhere.
I didn't actually tell you, I did, oddly enough, my surgery requires blunt dissection, and I have some
Some tendonitis
tendons.
there.
Yeah, in both of the joints here in the thumb,
So the best thing for that is just to pull them straight out.
straight out,
You don't want to jam them like this because
No.
that'll traumatize them even more.
to loosen up the.
But just, if you just pull them straight out like that and cavitate the synovial joint right there at the
Uh-huh.
proximal end of that
Okay.
joint,
I gotcha.
that'll help.
All right.
Okay, now the big boy. Right
Yes,
here.
sir.
But right here, head
Yes.
up this way.
All right. Okay.
I think this would be the first time our YouTube fans have got to see me ring ding and then medical doctor.
All right. It's a first. I love it.
I've done it before
Love it.
to MDs, but I think this is the first time we've done a
Love it.
video on it. Slide up a little bit, please, sir. Just where your hips right underneath that pin, your iliac crest. Yep.
Gotcha, right there.
Okay, put your hands right here. Now this is gonna feel tight. There we go. So you're not gonna get away now.
Locked in.
That's right. There we go.
And raising the legs now, what is that doing to me?
Well, what I'm doing with this right now is I'm changing the biomechanics of the pelvis. It's flattening out the lumbar spine, so it's relaxing the paraspinal musculature from your pelvis all the way up to your cervical spine. And it kind of flattens out the spine, so
So
I'm
you got
not.
a straight shot.
Yes, sir. So I'm getting more. When I pull you on the y-axis, I'm not affecting your lordotic curves in your cervical and lumbar spine as adversely.
Okay.
So this just puts you in a better biomechanical position to receive this adjustment.
Okay.
This is also how you start sleeping, by the way. And just to show you, he's kicking before. We'll make sure
Before.
he's kicking after.
You want to do some editing on the video if I'm not.
There you go.
Holy mackerel!
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yep, I'm just not going to pussyfoot around with you just because you're an MD. Look at there. He's still,
Nice.
he's still kicking, folks.
Wow. That is
Should have
something
felt
else.
that go all the
I
way
did.
down to your lumbosacral joint. Let this one relax right in my hand here. Perfect.
Oh.
Yep. Good job. Yep, crack Eddie's gonna love you too, Doc.
They do. Wow.
How's the tightness in your hamstring?
My low back.
Okay, low back pain, that's positive straight leg raise. Does that cause any back pain or leg pain?
No, sir.
Okay, let's cross this leg over here. As I push down here, does that hurt your back or your leg?
Leg.
Okay. Your hip?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do the same over here. Low back pain?
Low back pain.
Any leg pain?
No, sir.
Okay. Does that cause any pain in your back or leg?
No, sir.
Okay, so you've got negative braggarts bilaterally. Does this hurt your hip or your back?
Back.
Okay. He's got positive Fabry Patrick bilaterally. I'm going to take your shoes off.
Yes, sir.
Push against my hand. Pull up. Turn in. turn out, and now push big toe, pull up big toe, good, push, pull up, turn in, turn out, push big toe, pull up big toe, good. Okay, let's turn you on your stomach now, please, sir. Actually, sit up, face toward Joseph. Tell me if this hurts anywhere in your spine.
Yes, sir.
Where?
My neck, right.
Your
right
neck.
here.
Okay, so it has a positive foramen compression test. Now this is a maximum foramen compression test. I bet that hurts worse.
Yes, sir.
And how about this side?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so those are positive. How about when you just tilt that way? Is that tighten up?
Yes, sir.
Does this make that worse?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how about this way? Does that tighten up? Does this make that worse?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna pull straight up. Tell me if this feels better, same, or worse to your spine.
Better.
Okay, look straight ahead. I'm gonna push down, resist. Excellent. Resist. Excellent. I'm gonna pull out here, resist, hold. I'm gonna push in, resist, good. I'm gonna pull out, resist, and I'm gonna push in, resist, good. Check your reflexes here. Just relax your arm right in my hand, there you go. Okay, just let that drop. Oh, there's a problem.
Yeah.
We gotta have a little fun in here.
Right.
Now squeeze my hand. Okay, good. Now hold your thumb and little finger together. Hold. I'm gonna pull it apart. That's really weak. Feel that? Can't hold that. Okay, squeeze my hand. Okay, good. I'm gonna pull out, resist. Yeah, he's a little weak in the C6 nerve root. That's the opponent's muscle. Okay. Push against my hand. Pull back. Okay. Push. Pull back. Good. Okay, let's have you lie on your stomach next, please, sir.
Yes, sir.
Face right down in here. Right leg is short by 1/2 inch in this position. Now when I bring his legs up, it actually gets even. That tightens up in your low back.
Yes,
doesn't
sir.
it? Yep. Pelvis is out right here on the right SI joints, that little tender.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit on the left too. This one's worse.
Yes, sir.
There's L5, that hurts. Tender,
Yes,
all
sir.
these tender. Yeah, he's got L1 through L5, all posterior, which is called retrolisthesis. That's tender right in here too. That's real tender right there. Get some tight shoulders on you too, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, neck's out right there on the right. I know you feel all those right there. And right there's where your headaches come from.
Yes, sir.
Yep. I want you to lock your right leg straight and lift your whole right leg off the table. Okay, did that hurt?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can relax. Do the same thing on the left side. Yeah, the right one was more difficult, wasn't
Yes, sir.
it? Okay, you ready to feel better?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we're gonna start off by adjusting his right sacroiliac joint. Now his left one. I'm gonna hit the sacrum on the right side, which is the middle triangular shaped bone in the center of the pelvis, base of the spine, the left sacrum. I'm gonna hit that right sacrum and the right SI one more time, and then I'm gonna get on L5, push that straight forward, P to A, posterior to anterior. There, okay. Okay, your legs are even now. This should already feel a little easier than the first time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just keep breathing for me. Good. Okay, keep breathing normal. Don't hold your breath. There you go. You know, in Austin this weekend, I was speaking with some of the leaders in the chiropractic profession that came to Austin for this event. And we were talking, and You know, the most important thing that a chiropractor can do for their patients is adjust them good. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back. And you've had adjustments from other chiropractors before, so after we get done, I'll let you tell people what the difference was here. There we go. Good. Okay, now slide down this way a little bit. And put your arms straight out to the sides. Adjusting his shoulders, his clavicles, his anterior sternum here where the costosternal joints are, the ribs versus the sternum. Good. Okay, now just relax your hands on your tummy. Let your leg relax right here in my hand. There, you should have felt that all the way from your knees to your low back.
Yes, sir.
Same here. There we go. Good. Same thing there?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and slide back up that way a little bit. Got a little cedar fever up in Austin this weekend, and the wind was blowing hard, and there was a lot of cedar up there. Okay, I'm gonna adjust your right ankle here now, or left ankle. There we go. Same here. There we go, good. Okay, let's come over here on this table now. There you go. I'm gonna have you lay on your back, Chris, right here with your head up this way. Okay, slide down this way a little bit. There were several chiropractors up there in Austin that had seen our YouTube videos and said that they'd learned a lot from them. And we do these videos so that people can learn about the benefits of chiropractic care and what we do as chiropractors in treating musculoskeletal conditions. Now, he had good reflexes before, so there we go. Now keep your teeth together on this one, Chris. Nice deep breath in, let it out and relax. There you go.
Oh.
See, I did a straight vertical pull. Now he should have felt that all the way down.
All the way.
Good. There we go. Yeah, see, he's kicking even better now.
Oh.
Okay. Now we're going to do the good old Palmer diversified rotary brake. Oh yeah. Crack eggs are going to love you. There you go. Good job. It looks worse than it is, right?
It feels good though.
Feels
Oh
good.
my God.
Yep. From head to toe. That's how we adjust people in here, from head to toe, literally. In fact, I'll show you his toe adjustments. This little piggy went to market. And that little piggy didn't stay home. Okay.